Then, now, lately, it shows add users that will sign on the computer and click next. Then you will get, at this stage, you can see, you will get a thank you screen to confirm setup is complete. Then click finish. Now you may now log in to your PC for the first time. So here, you now need to check the device manager to confirm that all the drivers has been loaded or if there are many conflicts. So from the start menu, select, then settings, control panel. So on the control panel, click on system. There. Click system. Open. Then click on the system icon, and then from the system properties window, select hardware tab. Hardware tab. Then click on device manager. If there are any yellow exclamation mark there, you can get this version, next to any of the listed device, it means that no drivers or incorrect drivers has been loaded for that device. In our case, we have the audio device on high definition audio bus, SM bus controller, and video controller to VGA compatible, which has no drivers installed. So if you have a hardware should come with the manufacturer supplied drivers, you need to install these drivers using the automatic setup program provided by the manufacturer, or you need a manual install these drivers. If you do not have the drivers, check the manufacturer website to download them. So, to install a driver manually, use the following procedure. So, the first procedure would be from the device manager, double click. Okay, again. On the system, hardware, and device manager. On the device containing the exclamation part. Okay. Then, this would open the device properties window. Click on the driver tab. There. Then click update driver button. The wizard for updating device driver pops up as shown below. There. So, you now get two options. The first option provides an automatic search here for the required driver. The second option allows you to specify the location of driver if you don't have. Oh wait. There. So, the second option allows you to specify the location of the driver if you don't know the location of the driver. So, you can choose the automatic search, which would find the required driver from the manufacturer manufacturer supplied CD or floppy disk, so Windows would install the required driver and may ask you to restart the system for any changes to take effect. So use this procedure to install drivers for all the devices that contain an exclamation mark. So Windows is completely set up when there are no more exclamation marks in the device manager. So lately, you had known how to install driver manually if there is no drivers that has been installed. So in our part, here in the device manager, so we have 3 yellow exclamation marks next to any of the listed devices. So it means that there is no driver or incorrect drivers has been loaded for that device. So in our case, we have the audio device on a high division audio bus, SM bus controller, video controller, or the VGA compatible. So which has no drivers installed. So here we have a hardware. So in our hardware, so the manufacturer has supplied drivers. So we need to install these drivers using the automatic setup program provided by the manufacturer, or you need to manually install this driver. So we have here the support CD and the motherboard. So we will install the motherboard. On the CD-ROM. Insert the CD on the CD-ROM. So we'll just wait. Now you will see it is set up in the station. So the setup is launching. So we will wait. On the monitor. So a welcome note, a welcome to the install shield wizard for auto setup. So click next. Then so these are the drivers, or these are the drivers that is incorrectly or no drivers has been loaded for this device. Okay, then click next. So we'll wait for several minutes to complete this setup, this installation. And after that, we are done installing our operating system. Now you see this is a Intel Graphics Media Accelerator driver. So we have to click next. Then click next to proceed. So we'll wait until this installation is complete. So click next. So the setup of the Intel Graphics Media Accelerator driver is complete. Then it asks to restart the computer for the changes to take effect. So would you like to restart the computer now? So there is a button here. So I will click yes. I want to restart this computer now. Then click finish. Then Windows is shutting down.